Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and also a good morning. Right now the time is 5:08. It's 5:08 in the morning, so it's very early morning. So I just woke up now, just got a call from my brother-in-law that we are going down to the riverside to get a fishing. So I'm sure this is going to be more interesting than what I have done before. So please stay tuned and I'll show you guys. So see you guys there once I reach the river down there. Bye for now. Hi, welcome back guys. We just reached now. So this is the battlefield and I think the river is on that side. So we'll be going there and we'll check it out. Yeah. So this is where we are right now. Look at this place. It's amazing and so lovely. I don't know what tree is this. I think we call now nobab. Maybe a tree of nobab. Easy.
Olha, Bumbe. Olha. Rồi là con đi đồ bố tôi ra nhau tôi thế.
No, vabbè, te la lavo. Mimi tu lo. Ne.
Sulla bila.
Ka ko mi ni sam ne.
Look guys, what I'm doing. I'm collecting the fish. Wow. I'll show you once I got more fish. Oh, look at those fish.
Hả? Mua lắm không có mà.
These white particles are all fish. That's a fish.
Fish. Kadın da değil ya.我当好吃嘞，很好。水啊，水那边啊，今晚快到了不？
哈，
今晚到了不？
撞到流浪。Guys, this is how we do fishing. Look at me. What I'm doing. This is the water. Woo! This is enjoying. Look at this fish. Can you see it? Yeah. There's the fish. They are my brother-in-laws. One up there, one there, and there's another one. This one. Look at the stones and rocks all around. Birds are chirping. It's just amazing. Oh, there you go. We got another fish. Woo-hoo. I got a fish. This is how we do fishing. Wow. This is the second time we're doing it. The first one we have already gave there and we have already passed them to cook it. This is the second one. Oh ho ho! Now I'm getting this one. Oh. Just got it from them. I'm collecting it. They're getting the fish. They throw it to me, and I'm collecting it. So this is what I have collected so far. Guys, I'll show you later. It's in water, so it's not comfortable carrying a camera. Bye for now. Guys, check this out. This is a different place. I've just got a trees and stones here. I'll show you the rock and the trees. Look at this trees. This has a different type of layers. Something different. Looks like somebody has made it. It's in love sign. Can you see the triangle? And this way. Looks like a love sign. See. Wow. It's a very nice tree. And one here. I'll show you the big rock with a cave. There's the big rock, and it has a cave inside here. I don't know how deep does it goes. Oh, wait, it goes more deeper, but it's not clear. If I go more zoom. Wow. Look at this riverside. This place is amazing. I'll show you the river. I'm sure you guys may love to come and swim here. Let me zoom them. Hi guys, I'm digging rest right now. So we have got some. We came early morning without having food, so we are all hungry now. So we are planning to go ahead and have a food now, and we'll come back and we'll go fishing again. So far this is what we have got. I'll show you. So far we have got this much. I don't know whether you can see this or not. Let me bring this side. Shit. Okay, there you go. So those are the fish that we have collected. It's not that small, not that big. So yeah, this is what we have got so far. Like I mentioned before, the first, the one that we fish, we have already kept over there in the hut to let them cook. So this is the second one that we are getting. So if all together, if we mixed it, then might have reached to this. But yeah, that's fine. We'll still continue getting it. Hi, welcome back, guys. We just had food. So full now. Actually, I was thinking that I'll be taking a video for the dinner that we take, but unfortunately I forgot about it due to hungriness. Couldn't make it. But now we're going down and we are going to get more videos, so stay tuned for that. Bye for now. 굉장해라만 굉장해라 확실히 오잖아. Ha. Gì? Butterfly đi. Butterfly bán hổm được này mày. Shush. Thằng này mình đây ha. Nice.
Không thấy á.
Mà ốc thủy cái khẳng đây đi. Ốc thủy khẳng đây đi, ốc thủy được ném làm na ha. Thank you guys for watching till this. I'm very sorry. Due to the camera battery died, I could not complete the full video. And right, actually I was planning to take a big video for coming back home, but fortunately I couldn't make it. But thank you so much for watching till this, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.